everyone, Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is April 3rd. We do have grain markets recovering a little bit this morning. Corn was up up a little bit overnight. Beans trying to recover here after giving back some of the gains it had seen yesterday. And then also the wheat market finding some strength here as conditions came out. They were quite a bit lower than expectations, and it's got a little spark in the wheat market here this morning. So we'll see if that can carry through into the day session. So we'll kind of keep an eye on that here as we get going. But is this just a turnaround Tuesday type mentality? We'll see if the funds want to come in here to try and support these markets, or will we see them take some of their positions off? They're long corn, they're long beans. We had seen yesterday the bean market give back quite a bit from the rally that they had from the overnight session on Sunday. If we do end up taking out yesterday's low for beans, that could open up the downside here for the short term. A lot of chatter right now of tariffs that were put on by China. Will they put tariffs on the beans? We haven't seen any of that here yet, but there is some expectation in order to see the U.S. Come out with new tariffs that we will be putting or imposing on China as well. So the fear of any kind of a trade war is still kind of looming at this point. We'll see how that all changes this week, but keep an eye on that. Nothing has been done yet. As far as U.S. ethanol, the fear is that China will stop taking U.S. ethanol here at this point, but we'll see how this all plays out. Obviously, that's kind of a you've got a lot of finger pointing at this point, and a lot of guys that are trying to figure out what that all means. But the Dow is trying to recover. We had a down day yesterday. That's starting to be supportive a little bit here today, even in the face of some of these fears. The Dow went down to hit that 200-day moving average yesterday, and now finding a little bit of a recovery. But as far as the grains, a lot of unknown. After this acreage report that had come out, a lot of guys trying to figure out what does that mean going into next year and how important are good yields again. We know this colder bias right now is going to slow down U.S. farmers, and that may end up being a little bit supportive for the time being as well, specifically for corn. If we don't get the corn in the ground in a timely fashion, then that might mean more bean acres as well. But we know how fast the American farmer can plant, and once we do get that opportunity, it is still early, but once we get that opportunity, we may see that, may see some very quick movement here as we get that. So keep you informed. Give us a call if you have any questions. You can reach us here, 800-262-7538, or on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day today. We'll chat again with you tomorrow. Take care.